In this video, I'm going to show you how to create, set up, and integrate TikTok pixels in your website, alright, so that you can track activities in your website. Now, why do you need a pixel? A pixel is a piece of code you take from your TikTok Ads Manager and you put it on your website so that TikTok can track activities going on your website. So I'm going to show you how to set it up. It's very, very easy to do. And when you set up your pixel, TikTok is going to know who is buying from your website, who is opting in as lead in your website. TikTok is not going to understand the kind of people that are taking action. They are not going to go back to their own end, go back to their TikTok, go back to their platform and look for more users that are more similar to take action. Let's say 10 people buy from your website today. With the help of the pixel, TikTok is going to understand the characteristic of those 10 people that buy from your website. It's not going to go all in and look for more people in millions that are more likely to take similar action. And TikTok is not going to show your house to those kind of people first that are more likely to take action, either buy from whatever you are selling or opting as a lead or register, right? So that's exactly how the TikTok pixel work, right? And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up. So make sure you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss out on any important details, right? Now, the first thing you want to do to set up your TikTok pixel is to log in to your TikTok Ads Manager. How do you log in? Just come to Google, type in login to TikTok Ads Manager, right? Then hit on search. Now scroll down. You're going to see this one that says login in the front. This one that says login on the front, alright? Look at it. This one that says login on the front. So click on this one to take you to the login windows where you can log in to your TikTok Ad Manager. Once you log in, it's going to take you to your dashboard. Just enter your details here and log in, alright? If you don't have a TikTok ad account, check the description of this video where I link a video on how you can create a TikTok ad account, alright? And the walkthrough of how to use your Ads Manager and create ad. So in the meantime, let me quickly show you how to set up your pixel. Once you have logged in, it's going to take you to these windows, alright? Once you take you to these windows, bring your mouse to tools, alright? Come to tools, these tools here. Come to tools. Once you log into your Ads Manager with your password, come to tools. Then click on event manager. Alright, look at it, event manager. Click on event manager. Once you click on event manager, it's going to take you to these windows. Now I have one pixel. If you don't have a pixel, it's going to show you get started. Alright, just click on the get started at the middle of your screen to start creating your pixel. Right, but if you already have a pixel and you want to make sure that you set it up correctly, I recommend you create a new one. How do you create a new one? Just click on connect data source. Right, either you click on this connect data source or you click on get started when you just come here freshly, right? So I'll just click on this connect data source now, right? Just click on it, I will be able to create a new pixel. I will now click on web, right? Because I want to track activities on my website, either WordPress, system.io, card, whatever landing page you are using. Right, so I'll click on web, I'll click on next. I will now skip. You can decide to enter your website here, but I'm going to skip this step. It's not necessary. Then select manual setup, especially if you're not using Shopify, Google Tag Manager. But if you're using any of these, you can just select Shopify and follow the script procedure. But this time, we want to do it for our website, right? So click on manual setup, click on next. Now tick TikTok pixels only, right? Tick TikTok pixel so you can quickly set up your TikTok pixel. Once you tick the middle one here, which is this one, TikTok pixel, you click on next. Right now, you cannot name your pixel. Let me name my pixel name here now. Let's see, at grow with God bless. Right. So this is my YouTube channel handle. Right. I'll just say pixel. Right. Now this is it. This is the name of my pixel. I will just click on create. Right, you can put whatever name here you want to use to create your pixel. Now, once you create our pixel, it's not going to show a base code like this. Say copy base code to your website. Alright, what does this mean? It means copy this code to the header of your website so that TikTok can now track activities in your website. People that are opting as lead, people that are buying, so that TikTok will now go to their database and look for more people that are more likely to take that specific action you want them to take on your funnel, either to buy or opting as a lead. So this is the code that does all the magic. So copy this code and paste it to your website. Let me quickly show you how to do that. Now, if you are using WordPress, I'm going to show you how to do that. Before now, let me show you how to do it on system. Right now, come to your system. Right, if you don't have a website, you can just come to system. Right, come to system. Right, .io. Right, and you can create a free website here, a free landing page where you can use to run your TikTok ad, alright, for free, professional landing pages, free website. So that's by the side. If you have your website or system or card, it's a similar procedure. Come to your page, come to your thank you page. Now, what is a thank you page? The thank you page is a page that redirects people after they have taken specific action on your website. It's a confirmation page. Let's say somebody buy from you. It could be a receipt page, or it could be just more of like a complete registration page or a thank you page, right? Why do you need a thank you page? It's a page where anybody that register is going to visit that page. So it's that page you're going to put the pixel so that anybody that land on your thank you page, TikTok is going to register it as you have made a sale, or you have made two sales, or you have gotten two leads. So if anybody land on this page on my website, TikTok is not going to register it as, oh, I've made one sales today. If 3 people land on this page, TikTok is going to register that, oh, 3 people have landed on this page. Let's say TikTok is not going to understand that, wow, these 3 people that land on this page, they have this similar behavior on our platform. TikTok is not going to go back to their platform and look for those people that are more likely to take that resemble or that are identical to those 3 people that have landed on this page. So that's how this whole thing works in a layman understanding. Now, to put in the pixel here on your system, you click on these settings here, scroll down, right? Click on the setting on your page, then scroll down, click on edit header code. Now, let's say we want to track sales or lead. We can come here and select lead or sales. So let me just use purchase. I want to assume that this landing page is not a lead generation, but it's a purchase thank you page. Like anybody that buy from me is going to land on this page, right? So I'll just select purchase here. So select purchase or lead. Most of the time, you just need only purchase and lead. So I'm just going to select lead. I'm just going to select purchase. Then on this edit header code, I'm going to click edit code. Right, look at it. You click on this one, the first one, not the second one. You click on edit header because you want to put the code on the header of your website, not the footer. So click on edit header code so that you don't make mistake. And you're going to see a random HTML code here. Just press Ctrl A from your PC, then you delete everything, right? Or you elect everything manually and you delete it. Then this code TikTok gave us now. Click copy to copy it. And you paste it in your website, alright? Then you click on save. Click on save. Make sure you click on save. After you have clicked on save, then you click on save here again to publish the page, alright? Click on save to publish the page. What do you now do next? You now click on exit, alright? Once you click on exit, you're going to be able to get your link to your thank you page. Now, how do you get your link? You see this icon here, click on it, copy the link. We want to take this link now to TikTok Ad Manager. Right now, come to your TikTok Ad Manager. We have copied the code. You click on next. Right. Then, what do we now do next? You see this enable automatic advanced machine. You want to tick it on. Right. Tick it on so that TikTok can able to get more data from your pixels, right? The IP address, external IDs, email address, phone numbers. It's going to hash all these data and even understand your target and your best buyers more. So always tick it enable automatic advanced machine on, right? So always allow this one, then click on next to proceed. Right. Now this is where you now create the event. This is where the magic happens. Remember our thank you page URL we copied earlier, which is from here. Right, you want to paste it here. Then you want to click on launch event manager. But before you click on launch event manager, come back to your browser you are using to manage your TikTok ad and load the thank you page here. Refresh it here first to make sure that the link is opening correctly. Good. Well, now this is going to signal TikTok that there's a pixel on this site. Right. Now just refresh it the second time again. Alright. Good. Now we have refreshed it. Now you now come here. Right. You come here. Then you now click on launch event manager. Right. Now TikTok is not going to load the website for us. Right. Now what do you now do? Look at it. TikTok is even recommending an event for us. Purchase. Because we tag it on our system, but we don't want it. Right. You want to do it manually. Let me show you how to do it now. Click on this add event here. Then click on URL visit. Alright. Click on URL visit. Then you click on next. Then you select event type. Then you select purchase. Either you should select purchase or lead, depending on what you want. Then you paste the URL contains word here. Now, what does this mean? Come to your thank you page. Remember, I told you to load your thank you page on the browser you're using to manage your ad account before you launch it. Your ad manager. So that TikTok is going to detect the pixel, right? Now, once you have done that, you copy this thank you, the letters immediately after your domain. Look at it. Look at my domain. My domain is www.jimasteam.com. So I will just copy the letters immediately after my domain, right? So you want to make sure that you watch this video again so that you don't miss out on any important details, right? So watch this video and you watch it again, save it and watch it again later so that you don't miss out on any important step, alright? So that you don't just come and be typing, it does not work. Then come here, you paste it here. Look at it, thank you. Any link, if the link is long, copy the link till here your .com stop. Alright, that is what it means. The layman understanding. Look at my own now. So I pasted it here. I will now click on create event. This means that once I'm running ads, anybody that land on this my thank you page, maybe after they have bought from my seller is going to redirect them back here. Or maybe they order a physical product, my website is going to redirect them to this thank you page. Please register them as a purchase event that they have bought and reflect it on my house manager. I look for more people that are more likely to buy from me. That is what this whole event setup means in a layman understanding. Alright. Now let me show you something else if I proceed. Now most times some of us might be running lead generation ad. Yeah, let's say we are running lead generation ad to track people that want to join our WhatsApp. So we want to use the lead generation event. How do you do that? Now, once you have put your thank you page here like normal, it's going to open the website for you. There's going to pop up these windows. I can easily drag. Once you pop up these windows, click on this add event. Then instead of selecting URL visit, click on button clicks. Right? Then it's not going to highlight all the buttons on your website. Then tick the button. Then once you tick the button, you can now click on next. You can now click on event type. You can now select lead. What does this mean? This means that then you now click on create event. What does this mean? This means that TikTok, anybody that lands on this page, right, and click on this button, register them as a lead. So even if you are running ads and somebody land on this page, TikTok is not going to register it as an event until they click on this button or any button on your website which you tick here. Right, so that's how you can track lead generation event when you are running ads for people to join your WhatsApp group or DM you on WhatsApp through your preset page, through your website page. You want to track button click, right? Button click could be any event you want. So this is how you can track button click as event. But for the sake of this tutorial, I don't want to track button click. I want to track website visits. So how do I do that? I click on this cancel here. I come back here. I click on add event. I click on URL visit. I want to track the whole URL visit. So I click on next. I click on event setup. Then I click on. Then I select purchase. Most of the time, all you just need is the purchase event and the lead generation event. Alright. So I copy this again after my domain. Then I paste it here. Right. I know I'm taking my time to do this, to explain all this, because I did a video recently where people just bypass some steps and they make mistake and they come to the comment section and be typing it's not working. So this is why I'm taking my time to explain this. Alright. So you want to make sure that you follow this step by step, you don't make any mistake. You watch this video again and you want to make sure that you like this video and you subscribe to this channel for step by step tutorial like this, right? That's going to take your TikTok and Facebook ad to the next level. That is something I can guarantee you this year, right? So make sure you subscribe. Now, as we're setting up the event, we have select purchase, we have put in our URL contains. I will now click on create event. Look at it, our events have been created. Purchase. Click on finish. And now click on exit now. Right. Now we have created our event successfully. We can now come back to this place. Right. I click on next. Right. Now, TikTok is going to say that we should install a Pixel helper. This is optional, but if you want to be sure that you have really installed your Pixel correctly, just click on this install Pixel helper to install the plugin. Alright, it's just like Meta Pixel helper plugin. Here you can be sure that you have installed your Pixel. I'll show you how to do that. Just install the plugin, whether you're using Chrome or Microsoft Edge. So install the plugin sharply. Let's do that now. Alright, so view extension. So let me pin it here. Now let's refresh our thank you page again, which is the event we created the link we created our event on. So let's load it. I'm going to show you how to do for WordPress too shortly. Right, so now this is our thank you page. Now come to the pixel like this. Click on this pixel, this TikTok pixel helper. Look at it. Look at what it shows now. It shows page view. It ticked it. It shows purchase event. All right, and it even shows our Piso ID. Look at our Piso ID here. So this is to confirm that you have successfully created and set up your TikTok Piso correctly. Don't just set up your TikTok Piso correctly, but you have also integrated it on your website successfully. If it were a lead generation event I created, this place is going to show lead, right? So it's because you created for Porsches, that's why it's showing Porsches. So you can see this is going to show, and it's going to show. Right, so that's basically how you do it. And one thing about this TikTok Piso helper, this plugin even detects Meta Piso too. Let's say there's a Meta Piso on your website, it's also going to detect it too, right? Now look at Meta Piso here. It did never detect. It was not able to detect that of TikTok, but you can see TikTok is so smart, all right? So that is basically how you do that. So you set up your event, then you click on this install Piso helper to install the plugin. Once you have installed the plugin, just click on finish, and you are good to go. So you have successfully create and set up your TikTok Piso successfully. Now let me show you how to paste the code to your WordPress website too. All right, it's similar to this one. So let me quickly show. Look at our Piso. Let me quickly show you how to do that. Okay, remember we have copied our code earlier when we were creating the Piso. So it's when we are creating the Piso we copy the code. So this is the code. I'm just copying it here again. I will now go to my WordPress website. Let me assume I do not have Systeme. I'm using WordPress. I will come to my WordPress website. All right. I will come to plugin. All right. I will come to plugin. Once I come to plugin, I will click on add plugin. Once I click on add plugins, I will now come here and type header and footer plugin. I will now hit on search. So you can decide to install anyone here of your favorites. I will just click on install to install this one. All right. I will just install this. Right now, our plugin have been installed. So let me activate it. Activate. So look at the plugin here. Look at it. See header and footer plugin. Once I install the plugin, which is this header and footer script, come to your settings here. Then click on the header and footer script here. Alright, click on it. Then scroll down. Then paste the code copied from TikTok. You paste it here. This is this code that starts with TikTok Piso start script. Paste the code here. Then scroll down. Then you click on save settings. Right. Look at it. Say settings saved. What does this mean? We have installed our TikTok code on our WordPress. So all we have to do is to copy our thank you page link from our website and replicate the same thing we do when we are doing for Systeme.io. So it's just the same thing, right? So we just create an event. I'll come here. I'll come to setting. That we click on this. Go to event builder, right? If I go to event builder, I can now paste my thank you page here for my WordPress, right? I can see. Let's just say this is my WordPress website .com/thank you. So I will just put it here. I will click on launch event and replicate the same thing I did when I was doing for Systeme. Alright. So the only thing is that for WordPress, you install the plugin. Alright. You install this plugin. Install the header and footer plugin. Then on Systeme.io, you just paste it directly to the page and you save it. So I trust you have gained value from this video. If you want more tutorial videos like this, step by step breakdown like this, make sure you like this video and you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell, right? Because I'm going to drop more helpful videos like this that regarding TikTok ad, how to run TikTok ad, sales ad, conversion ad for TikTok, how to run lead generation ad on TikTok, alright, how to optimize your ad, how to scale your ad. So there are a lot of videos I want to share regarding TikTok ads, right? Because I run ads for a lot of clients, alright, for almost any industry you can think of. So you want to make sure that you like this video and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on any important updates, alright, or tutorial like this, right? So make sure you do that now, right? And I'm going to see you on my next video. And if you want to learn how to run TikTok ad for sales, click on this video showing at the top of your screen right here, right? I'm going to see you on this side. Peace.